Hi.
Hi.
Come on in. Oh. Look at him.
Hello.
Wait. No? Okay, fine. Alright, come on up. Alright, so this is our house. Okay, come on in. Alright, so when you come up, this is our living room. And the first thing you can see is my reading nook. That I sit down sometimes and grab a random book and read and just fall asleep sometimes. Since we're here, let me introduce my plant babies. So let me start with this guy. This big dude is the very first plant that I ever owned, and I purchased him when we moved here. So when he first came to me, he had only a few leaves, and now he has so many leaves, and then we have to cut off the small ones so that he can grow better. So this is my first plant baby. And the second one will be this guy actually. This Monstera. Oh, isn't he gorgeous? Yes. So he was the second one that I bought. And also I got to cut some parts and propagate this guy. This is my second biggest plant baby. He's actually gifted from a brand that I don't recall. I'll put all the information in the description box. But yeah, he's gotten so big. I actually cut one small stem to propagate, and yeah, he's growing there. I'll show you later. And the little boy, yum. And I use that chopstick as a small support. I need to buy more plant pots, but I'm trying not to do it right now because we're gonna move anyways. So yeah, that was my favorite spot. And moving on to here. Oh, look at that. Who is that guy? Why are you so obsessed with this guy? So this is our living room. Most of our furnitures are secondhand. This one as well, and I just put random stuff there. Story time. When we first moved in, the house was very disappointing. There was a crack on the window, the staircase outside was wobbly, one of the doorknob was loose and they held in with a Q-tip, and Batman got locked in the room for like a couple minutes and we freaked out. But we're leaving, so it's all good. This is our kitchen. Nothing to really talk about. I don't want to show you because it's gross, but when we moved in, it was covered with the oil stain. We tried our best to wipe it off, but it's not completely off, and then it's impossible to get it off. The previous tenant didn't really take care of the house, and it was just so dirty they didn't even clean at all. But it's all good. It's all good. Yeah, so this is our little kitchen, and oh, one more thing, yeah, here we have a little door here. Probably you're wondering what this is. This is for the laundry, and this door, it doesn't close. So I asked her if we can push the laundry machines a little bit inward so that we can close the door, and can you guess what she said? It is what it is. So yeah, she didn't even say sorry or anything. What she said was, it is what it is, so it is what it is. It's always 24/7 open, okay? And when you come here, the dishwasher here, guess what? It's not working. And the landlord didn't tell us until the day they were moved in. Yeah, it is what it is. let's move on. So we moved here in September and I tried my best to make this our home. Try to decorate it and try to love it so much. By the end of October, I just gave up because we knew that it's not gonna work out. So I just stopped decorating the house. What you're about to see is a very minimalistic, unfinished project, kind of. So yeah, come on in. So this is our bedroom. This is Batman's toy. Batman. Go. And go. Bed. And here is a little thing to stretch my leg.
Good night.
Batman's little room. Landlord didn't change this one. Anyways, there's a house right next to it, so that's the view.
Wow.
So guys, when you're looking for an apartment, you gotta see it in person. In person. Okay, yeah. I didn't tell you the story. So we didn't get to see this house in person before we signed the lease because of COVID. Damn you, COVID. We're new to this area and we didn't know the neighborhood well, and obviously we didn't know the neighbors and all that stuff. So yeah, when we moved in, it was very, very disappointing.
Culture shock.
Yep. Okay, come on in. So here is our bathroom. So one more thing, when you're looking for an apartment, you need to check where they put the toilet paper hanger. Okay? You think that it will be on the right place. Like, who's gonna mess it up, right? People do mess it up, okay? Oh, by the way, there's a little foot stand here. Is the most brilliant thing ever. When you're going for number 2, you put your legs up, then it's gonna create the position that anatomically you can release the muscle around your butthole so you can poop easily. Imagine I'm pooping. After I'm done, I need to go down. What the hell? Why did I put it so low? It's supposed to be here or here or... Does it make sense to you? Yeah. Anyways, that's that. And here is the second bedroom. It's my office basically. As you walk in, the first thing you see is my bookcase, which I got it for free. Second hand, and we got lucky. This desk used to be here. I wanted to make kind of L-shaped work area, so there was desk here. That's why there's empty space here. But I decided to move the desk to the window for the plants because they're important. And yeah, so this is my desk. And my little boy. Anyways, that's that, and here is my my ruby protector. Here's my workstation, and there's nothing much going on. And this dresser was also free. It's vintage. There was like a round mirror that I used to have in the old house. And we got the hanger situation here and little boxes full of random stuff. And here's my closet. Pretty, just whatever. And this is the second bathroom. Same thing. We don't really use this one because, okay, another story time. So there was a leak in the garage. Actually, We're on the 3rd floor, and the 1st floor is a garage, and the 2nd floor someone's living there, and we're on the 3rd floor. Jesse have been noticing water leakage in the garage. We reported it right away, and the landlord said, oh, probably it's nothing. She's not willing to fix anything anyways. Oh, by the way, the doorknob and everything, the windows and everything, it took more than a month to get it fixed. Oh, and there was a leakage in the bathtub as well. Anyways, so she didn't know how to fix it. So I was like, okay, whatever. It's your house at the end of the day. So I let her be. And after a couple of weeks, we found that the leakage got worse. It wasn't a drip. It was a constant flow of water. We didn't know where it's coming from, but we had a suspicion that it's coming from this bathroom because we're using this bathroom when we are getting ready, because this one is farther from the bedroom, and Jesse wakes up earlier than me, so he doesn't want to wake me up. So he usually uses bathroom to get ready and take a shower. So we kind of put the pieces together and figure out whenever we use this shower, there's a leakage in the garage. We told the landlord about it, and she's like, don't use the bathroom. Don't use the bathroom. We're paying full amount of rent. You want to listen to what I hear in the morning? The water. You hear the pipes because the wall is super thin. So delicate. Yeah. Anyways, so yeah, this is it. I don't know if you're interested, but another reason why we're moving is our neighbor. I don't want to say it's the neighbor, but it's more like the house though, because house is so old, made of wood, and walls are super thin, so you can hear everything basically. So when they're walking around, we can hear it. Even though we're living on the top floor, when they're walking around, we can hear them and we can tell where they're going. Especially the guy living down there, we call him T-Rex, because it's like we can hear everything, and we're even making a joke saying, oh, T-Rex is going to the bathroom. Oh, T-Rex is thirsty, he's getting water. They do jump rope, they have trampoline, they have ping pong table, and they play ping pong. And it's like they're really leveling up. Like it's like professional level. They do that. So we politely ask them to stop or do it a little bit less frequently. And you know, the common sense is not that common for them, so we just realized that there's no way that we can work it out. So yeah, that's why we're moving, and we're very excited for our new apartment.
So fresh, so new.
And probably I'm gonna do a apartment tour whenever I'm ready. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. So basically this is a goodbye
shithole tour.
goodbye tour, and yeah, we are done. We're done. We're so done. Okay.
Freedom! So fresh, so new. Freedom! It's all for you. All for you. Freedom!